And for the oil change, got the filter off there. So 1.4 setup. And you drain the oil. Oil I just flushing intermittently. So the pickup is so soft, it's a little bit mucky. Let's see what it looks like. Take the focus. That was a little bit blue. So I did miss a service or two. And it was running off services. So let's pick up and see. Sort it out, clean out the sump service, clean out the sump, clean out the oil, you strip all these things, and then you clean out the pickup. So let's see what it looks like when we take it out. Let's also check out the oil. So we're going back under just to check. We remove the pickup, and lo and behold, that thing is so blocked. How is oil supposed to come through there? Look, the only thing we can do now is service the pickup, service the sump, and we're just gonna take a look at the oil. See if I can just get this out in the sun to get a better look at it. Oh, that is super blocked. So yeah. Taking out the oil pump pickup. Just get some zooming in there. You can see there is no place for oil to travel through there. It's supposed to be like a mesh type of, you know, like a mesh wire type of thing, very fine mesh wire. But as you can see, there's a lot of buildup. This is just a result of not servicing on time. Servicing a car is so important to do on time. So I'm not even going to try and clean this. It's just a waste of time. It's cheap enough to just buy one, and I wouldn't take a chance on these essential items. Just keep this as a spare or a souvenir, whatever. So I'm just going to go to the shop and get a new one and fit it, and then that's it. Hopefully this car's oil pressure will be fine. We're going to check the oil to see if there's any metal filings in it as well. So having a look at the oil, normally you'll see like a shimmer of silver. Sometimes if you stir it, you'll see the silver will shimmer. It'll be like a shimmer.